Mike, help me. This thing's falling on me and I can't breathe.
Oh, sure, Steve, I'll help you. I'll help you just like you helped me, man.
What does that mean?
Well, like the time I told you to get me and the boys a Fume Dog.
Oh, Mike, I told you it wasn't in the budget.
Exactly, and now it's not in the budget for me to get that piece of metal off of.
That doesn't even make sense, Mike. Just help me.
Let me move on to the next excuse you gave me, Steve. Let's see. I gotta run that by the plant manager.
Oh, Mike, he's not even here today.
Oh, shit, I guess we're gonna have to wait for him to get back to see if I can remove that piece of metal off of you, bud.
Please, Mike, come on. This thing could kill me.
Kind of like the toxic fumes we're forced to breathe in while we're welding in that small-ass room with no ventilation.
Mike, you know what? I can finally see it your way, bud. We'll get that Fume Dog, bud.
Awesome. See, was that so hard? And I'll tell you what, once we get that Fume Dog in, I'll help you get that big old piece of metal off of you. How's that sound? Later, dickbag.
Oh, no, Mike, please. Come back, man.
Don't be a dickbag like Steve. Protect your team with a Fume Dog. Or else they're not going to help you out when a large piece of metal falls on you, and they're just going to leave you there to die. And you don't want that.
I can see my mom. She's been dead for like 6 years, bro.